Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am so. I am Farhad Hussain from Daulatkandy Girls High School and College, especially trade instructor of this school. So undoubtedly, for the coronavirus effect, your learning is hampered, but there is no alternative way. There is no alternative way on online class. That's why, to continue your study, our school decide to online class. That's why today I will discuss about formal letters. Dear students, we all know that letter is two kinds. One is formal and another is informal. Informal letter is when we write our friends, our father, our brother or any relatives to something. The letter is called informal letter. But formal letter is very important for the students. It is used in school, in office, for a job. That's why there is a certain rules for writing the letters. Now follow the whiteboard. Here I write process of writing formal letters, and there is a certain rules for writing formal letters. At first you have to know the letter will be brief, short or clear. The letter will be brief, short and clear or visible. Should not use contraction. That means you will not allow to use any contraction, and hello, sorry, oh, etc. are not used. At first you have to remember the three things. The letter will be brief, short and clear, should not use contraction, hello, sorry, oh, etc. are not used. This is the feature of the formal letters. And then you have to remember the procedure of writing the letter, how you will start the letter and when the letter will finish, in what way. Dear students, here I write the procedure of writings. That means how you will start. There are 7 sections of formal letters. First, you have to write the date. In which date you will write the letter. At first you have to write the date. Then you will write the heading. That means you will write the recipient and the address. Then you will write the subject. Then you will write the body. Write the body means in this section you will write the details for your subject. Then the section will be subscription, then signature, then superscription. Now I will discuss elaborately here. Dear students, think this is your khata or answer script. In answer script, here I draw ... That means you will think this is the margin and this is the page. According to the standard international rule, formal letters should be start from the left side, that means here. So now think you are a student of class 9 or 8 or 7. You are reading in this school. Your father is very much poor. You have 3 or 4 sisters or brothers in your family members. in your family, but your father income is very low. That's why it is quite unable to maintain your educational expenses for your father. So there is a rule, if there is any poor student or girl, they have the right to the application for help for the poor fund. So if you think you need to help from the poor fund, that how you will write the application. Dear students, now look at me. Already I said the procedure of writing. At first I will write the date. Think today is 24th June 2021. 24th June 2021. At first I will write the date here. Then there are 3 ways of writing the date. You may also write in this way: June 24, 2001 or 24/06/2001. In the 3 ways you will write the date. So I have write the date here in this way. Then I will follow the heading. So though I am writing an application to the headmaster, so at first I will write here the headmaster, the headmaster. Then I will write the address, Daulatkandy Adarsha Girls High School and College. The heading section is finished. Now I will write the subject. So my desire is to write the headmaster for some financial help from the school poor fund. So I will write here in this way: subject, application, for help from the poor fund. Already I have written the 4 stage. Third stage, that means subject. But there is a rule. You have to visible the subject. So what is the process to visible the subject? In your book, in your textbook, you will see that the subject is written in a block letter. So it is impossible to write here block. So if you draw a line here in this way, the letter will be italic or block. That means subject will be easily visible to the viewer, that means your headmaster. Now come to the body. Come to the sorry, here I have mistake here. Subject, then salutation. The salutation. After subject there will be salutation. Salutation means to show honor. If you think your headmaster, you are writing an application to your headmaster, then your salutation will be sir, honorable sir, in this way. So you will write here sir. Then you will put comma. Sir will be the salutation. Then body section, and in this section you will write details about the help from the poor fund. You will write here, I beg most I beg most respectfully to state that I am a student of your school. I am reading in this school since 3 years. My father is very much poor. I have 3 sisters and 2 daughters. They are also school going, but my father is very income is very poor. He is unable to bear my educational expenses, so I need some help from the poor fund. You will write here the main things in this section. In this section, that means you have to write the elaborate description for your subject, and you may make in this section 2 para also. So you will finish after writing your description. You may hear I hope that you will be kind. You will be kind enough. ENOUGH enough for grant me a help from the poor fund. That means the section will be body, and after writing the body you have to come the subscription. What will be the subscription? After writing an application, you will notice in your book that after writing of the application, here will be some phrase or some word, your faithfully, your sincerely yours, your faithfully, your faithfully, your faithfully, or sincerely yours, or yours truly. Such kind of writing is called subscription. After writing subscription, you will write your signature or name. Suppose your name is Sumaya. Sumaya. You will write here Sumaya. Then you may write also your address, class 7, roll 01. In this way. That means after subscription you will write your name or signature. So this is the main procedure of writing an formal letter. Date, heading, subject, then salutation, the body, the subscription, the signature or name, and now come to the subscription. What is subscription? Subscription means to writing the sender and recipient address from the envelope. If you think I need to application, I need to application to our headmaster through my younger sister or my father or my brother or any other relative, so then you have to use a envelope. Or if you write a job application, then you have to need to send the letter to the person. So how it is possible? Then you have to send the letter or application using envelope. So think this is the envelope, and in envelope left side you will write your address, and left side, and right side will be the recipient address. So when you will use an envelope, envelope and the writing sender and recipient address is called the superscription. It is not necessary for every formal letters. When you think I need to send the application to another or far, then I have to use an envelope, and then you will put the envelope application in your envelope and go to the post office and send it to the desired person. This is the process of writing formal letters. Always you have to think the procedure. At first you will write the date, then heading, then subject, then salutation, then body of the letter, then subscription, then signature of name, then superscription. So my dear students, I think you have understood the writing of formal letters. In this way you will practice at your home. My request to all, don't pass your time ideally. Though we are in a problem, our government always think about your health and wealth. So it may take few more times to reopen the school. So following the online class, my request is to all, you will read at your home. So no more today. In next week, in next class, I will come here again to conduct a new class. So goodbye student. Allah Hafiz.